Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS4 to your laptop device or your PC. So all you have to do now, you can prepare your HDMI. Make sure you have HDMI cable. So maybe you can use the HDMI from the PlayStation itself or from the monitor or the laptop that you have right now. Just prepare this is the HDMI cable. So if you the first time you want to connect your PlayStation, please be prepared. And also please install this PlayStation Remote Play, so you can download in a PlayStation official website. So just type PS Remote Play on the Google, for example, in your browser, and the PS Remote Play will come up in the first list. And here with Remote Play, you can control your PlayStation console remotely wherever you have high-speed internet connection. And also you can using this PS Remote Play app. After installation, you can control your PlayStation 5 or console or PlayStation 4 console from a device at a different location. For example, you can use computer in another room or a smartphone when you are out to enjoy PS4 or PS5 games. So here there are the following are different combination of compatible devices and PlayStation console for using Remote Play. And here, for example, we talk about PS4. So here you can control your PS4 console from a Windows PC, Windows operating system, a Mac. If you have an Apple device, you can use this installer. Mobile device from Android TV and from PS5 console. So for PS4 to PS5 also. And here, for example, from a Windows PC, or if you have a laptop based on Windows, so you can tick this box to agree to the SIE application and user license agreement and privacy and policy. So here you can download this PS Remote Play app and run the installation file. Here, for example, so PS Remote Play setup is preparing the installation wizard, and here wait for the process. And here we go. This is the installation process. Wait for the this may take several minutes. So here we go. This is the PlayStation Remote Play. So here, play your favorite games on PS5 and PS4 remotely using this device. Now you can sign in into your PSN, and here we go. So you have to sign in with your Sony account. So if you have trouble signing in, just click this to recover your account, for example, or you need help, you can click this sign in help. So feel free to try to connect your PS4 or PS5 into desktop PC or your laptop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.